All right, guys, so I'm going to show you how to share your Google document with me, okay? So you've uploaded this, you're in here, you have answered the questions, la 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 la, I've answered my question, okay? Then you're going to go to File, is it published to the web? Oh, no, sorry. You're going to go File to Share, okay? Once this is here, right down here it says Get Link, okay? You need to make sure that this says anyone on the internet with this link can view. If it's not, you're going to hit change and you're going to change it to anyone on the internet with this link can view. Then you're going to copy the link. That is the link you will send to me, okay? Otherwise, I'm not going to be able to view your stuff. So it's got to be a shareable link with anyone. The other one says, just so you know, the other one will say restricted. If it says restricted, it's not the right link, okay? So you want to click anyone with the link, then you can copy your link, and that's what you're going to send to me when you've turned in your assignment, okay? So again, you've just taken your survey, you're going to File, Share, get the link, make sure this says anyone, copy the link, and that's what you will send to me, okay? All right.